7.7 million. Man! Hey, so if you didn't know, Instagram has made it so you can now download Instagram Reels. You heard that right. Okay, but here's the thing. I need to show you where to find it because it's not really that visible. And what you normally would click on TikTok, you don't do that on Instagram. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm doing a screen recording on my phone, and as you see content creator Amari flexing, you click on those three dots, you see nowhere in there where to download the reel. Now if you want to go ahead and share the video, you can click on share, and of course right there down at the bottom you see download. Click on download. It's downloading. At first when I clicked on it, it said you can't use these videos for commercial use. But I guess now that I've already seen that notification, it's just letting me download. And so it says finish downloading. Obviously I can find that video in my gallery. I click on it, and of course it's still giving credit. It has the watermark. So if I upload content using this, I don't necessarily have to tag them or mention it in the description because the watermark is on the video. Now, like I said, there are other ways. You can simply probably type up download Instagram Reels on Google, and you will for sure find a way where you can paste in the link and it will download it without the watermark. If you didn't know that, you're welcome. Now, here's the thing. You can't download every single video. They have to make it available. The user has to make it available for you to download. So when we go to the next, can I download this one? Let's click on share. You notice it is nowhere in there. You know, nice, pretty, colorful video, but can't download it. Click on the three dots. You can't do anything but save it or remix it. Go to the next, same thing. You know, so here's the thing though. Not everyone knows. That one you definitely can't do it. It's an ad. Not everyone knows. I'm just going through for the next one so I can show you how frequently it pops up. No, not everyone knows that they can make their videos downloadable now. When they find out, it is going to be something exciting because you can do so much with a downloaded video, whether the watermark's there or not. So a lot of these you can't download. Okay, boom, found another one. So we can probably say 1 out of 10 videos will be downloadable, but it will have the watermark. And so yeah, there you go. So I download that one. Now my question is if we find one that has music. So let's see if this one will let us download with the music, because what used to happen is when you try to download a reel that you made while you had just finished the reel, when you got ready to download it, to save it to your phone before you hit next to post that reel, it would say, do you want to download without music, and have a question mark next to it, because it's basically letting you know that that music that you're using from our library is copywritten. So let's see if it says that on this video that has music from the library. So we'll click on it. It's my first time doing this. Nope, didn't say anything. So it brings the question is, if I upload this, YouTube had an issue where you could only use the music from the library for about, 15 seconds. And then after that, if your video was 60 seconds, the music will cut off, and then you would have no music, and you're just talking if you're doing a teaching or tutorial or informational video, So I'm wondering, if I upload this same video right here, is it going to mute my video in about 2 or 3 weeks and say that, you can't use this music because the sound is copywritten? Or like we did on YouTube Shorts, there was a trick where you can upload this same video. If I found the music that is by this producer, could I find that in the library, upload it also with this video, and then turn that down? That way Instagram kind of sees that I'm still tagging and using the original producer of the music. That's where you find it. It's not the three dots, it's on the share option. And remember, you can also make your videos downloadable should you choose. Do you want everyone downloading your video? But first, why is this important? When you can download videos on TikTok, you can easily share other viral content on the different social media platforms, still giving credit to the original creator because the tag or the watermark is in there. Now, there are ways that you can download it without the watermark. So I'm going to show you on Instagram where to find this so you can start instantly sharing things that you really want to share rather than giving someone a link. This will also be easy for you if you wanted to download the video and do a reaction in a third-party software and then re-upload the video, making it your content. I want to show you something real quick. I made my videos downloadable on TikTok, and this is why I say it's a plus, it's a win-win for you and for those who are sharing your content, but hopefully they tag you or give you some type of recognition. Now, me and this person are cool. We're friends on Facebook, but I left a comment on one of her videos. A video that went semi-viral on TikTok where I got 200,000 something likes. Someone grabbed that video and used it on Facebook, and they got over 1 million likes. And I want to show you real quick. So when we go to my friend right here who I am following, and you go to her awesome viral videos and you scroll down, and she was able to add her spin on this duet. I just want to show you how viral it went. And that's cool. The gospel is being spread, you know, but this is why it's good for your content to be downloadable. So right here, 7.7 million. Man, 7.7 million views on this video, 513,000 likes. So later she tagged me, you know, I left a comment and I said, hey, is it too late to get tagged in this video? And you know, anyway, I got mentioned, or should I say mentioned, not tagged, but it just kind of feels good to, even though that's not my content, I duetted the content, and she ended up duetting the duet, and 7.7 million views and 500 and something thousand likes. So hey guys, leave a comment. Are you going to download Instagram Reels? Are you going to upload them and do a reaction or put your own spin on it? Can this help you? Will it benefit you? Are you excited about it? Did you not know where the feature was and now you do? Were you searching for it? Let me know. Also, if you haven't already, give this channel a subscribe. Click subscribe. You know, it will greatly help me out. And if this came in handy for you, send me a thanks. Send me a $5 thanks as a sign of your appreciation. You know, your generosity will greatly help me produce more videos like this, and share this video with someone else who can benefit from it. All right. Until next time, I will see you on the next video.